Looking for to create a Talkie AI account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily create an account. First thing first, make sure that the application has been downloaded on your device. Once installed, click on it. Now from here you have to choose your pronoun and then select what's your age. After that, click on Enter Talkie. Once you're in the home page, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can simply create your account from your Apple ID, Google account, or your TikTok account. You can select any one of it. Let me choose Continue with Google. Click on this option right over here. Tap on Continue. Choose a specific account from which you want to create a Talkie account. Once you have selected, tap on Continue. And there you go, your Talkie AI Lab account has been created successfully. So this is simply how you can create your account. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.